What if you could use AI to make your first $100 online faster than you thought? Fast Money Marion here, and today I'm showing you beginner-friendly ways to use AI to start making money online fast. In this video, I'm going to break down simple AI services you can offer, how to find people who need them, and how to take action today. This is not guaranteed money, and it's not overnight magic. But if you take action, AI can help you move faster than ever before. AI helps beginners create content, write scripts, design ideas, organize tasks, and complete work that used to take hours. Your tasks are now organized and ready. The first step is simple. Don't try to do everything. Pick one AI service you can offer today. Service number 2 is short video scripts. Creators need hooks, ideas, and scripts for TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Service number 3 is thumbnail ideas. YouTubers need titles, thumbnail concepts, and bold text ideas that get clicks. Do not overcomplicate this. Your goal is not to build a huge business today. Your goal is to get your first small win. Before asking for money, create a simple sample so people can see what you do. For example, pick a restaurant, barber, gym, or cleaning business and create 5 better captions for their page. If you want to help creators, create 5 viral video ideas or 3 thumbnail concepts for their channel.
Put your sample in a clean message, Google Doc, Canva page, or simple screenshot. Presentation matters.
You can ask AI, create 5 engaging Instagram captions for a local car detailing business that wants more bookings. Now you need people to offer your service to. Clients are everywhere if you actually look. Go to Instagram and search local businesses. Look for pages that post rarely, have weak captions, or need better content. You can also search YouTube for small creators who need better titles, scripts, or thumbnails. Local businesses are great because many of them don't have time to create content every day. Make a list of 20 businesses or creators. Don't stop at 3 people and say it doesn't work. Send a simple message like this. Hey, I made a few free content ideas for your page. Want me to send them over? Keep it short and confident. Don't beg, don't write a huge paragraph, just offer value. When they reply, send the sample and explain how it can help them save time or get more attention online.
Here's the content sample. This format can say headline.
This looks great, it will definitely save time. Then offer a simple package. For example, 20 captions for $50 or 10 short video scripts for $100. Use simple payment options like PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, or invoice tools depending on what works for you. Once someone pays, deliver the work quickly, professionally, and neatly. Add a small bonus if you can, maybe 2 extra captions or 1 extra script idea. That makes people remember you.
After delivery, ask if they want weekly content help. One small job can turn into ongoing money.
Your first $100 online may not change your whole life, but it can change your belief. Once you see it's possible, you move different. If this helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to Fast Money Marion, and comment AI Money below. Remember, you don't need to know everything to start. You just need to start. Fast Money Marion, out.